Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to make these delicious beans, barbecue baked beans. If you're not a lover of beans, guys, I tell you, you will enjoy this beans. My entire family enjoyed it. Everybody was praising the beans. It tasted so nice, so delicious. And guys, you can use any type of beans to prepare this recipe. I use honey beans, but feel free to use any beans. I'm sure this will go well with any type of beans. So these are some of my cooking ingredients, and I'll also leave the list of ingredients in the description box below, so be sure to check them out. Honey beans. This is the honey beans which I used. I used the 5 cups. These are some chicken franks. If you have pork, you can use. If you have pork meat, you can use. This is the seasoning cube. So this is a mixture of maple syrup, your sugar syrup, tomato ketchup, and some soy sauce. Brown sugar. These are tomato, atarodo, scotch bonnet pepper, black pepper, paprika, smoked paprika, and chili pepper. So I'll go ahead here and slice the chicken franks into small sizes, which I will be using later in my cooking. In this frying pan, I'll add in some vegetable oil, with which I'll be frying the chicken franks. I'll add in this or the onion and allow the onion to fry for a bit or until the onions becomes translucent. After that, I'll add in all the chicken franks and fry them for about 5 to 6 minutes or until they have this brown color that I like. So I'll take them out and set them aside for use later. So in this boiling water, I'll be adding in already washed beans, and which I'll allow these beans to come to a boil. Once the beans come to a boil, I will remove the water and run the beans through cold water to remove any. Of course, there is belief that these beans have been stored with some chemicals, so I do this in order to take out whatever chemicals that have been used in preserving these beans. So after which I will set the beans on fire again and continue cooking with hot water. So part of my prep, I'm also going to slice these tomatoes, fresh tomatoes that you see, and deseed them, like remove all the seeds, because I don't need them in this video. So, and I'll set them apart and keep them for later use. So you guys, if you're still watching this video and you've not subscribed to my channel, why now? Please, it's free of charge. Nobody will collect money from you for doing this. It's only a favor I'm asking from you. So go ahead now and subscribe. Hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification, and also please give my video a like. It will mean a lot to me. Feel free to use what you prefer. So I'll go ahead now and add the fried chicken franks, also adding some brown sugar. Guys, don't be afraid to use sugar in this recipe. You will love it. You will really love it, except you're someone that does not eat sugar. So I'll add in some brown sugar, add in this combo which I'll be leaving in the description box below. That's a mix of maple syrup or sugar syrup with some soy sauce and tomato ketchup. So after that, I'll add in some smoked paprika, black pepper, seasoning cube, scotch bonnet pepper. After that, I'll give everything a good mix. At this point, I added extra tomato ketchup for more sweetness. So I'll be giving everything a good mix, and after that I'll turn everything into my baking tray. You guys, like, the aroma of these beans was everywhere in the house when it started baking. Like, I could not believe it, and everybody loved these beans to bits. Like, my family could not get enough of this beans. So I want you guys to recreate this recipe and tell me how yours came out. I would like to tag me on my Instagram, on my Facebook. I go ahead now before adding the beans, before putting the beans in my oven. Of course, the oven has been preheated before now. So I'll go ahead and garnish this with some of the chopped onions, which I left behind for use now. And I also went ahead to garnish with that tomatoes which you saw. So I'm garnishing with that tomato now for more goodness and flavor. So you guys, the next thing I'll do now is to bake this beans. So I baked the beans for 30 minutes. So at this point that the beans is all baked, I will be garnishing those beans with those spring onions and give everything a stir and serve this beautiful delicacy. Oh my God, this beans was made in heaven. So thank you for watching this video up till now. If you've not liked the video, go ahead and smash that like button. Give me a huge thumbs up. Give the video a huge thumbs up. It will really help your sister. I know you love your sister, so thank you, and I appreciate every of your support, guys. And please share my videos, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, it's free of charge. Go ahead now and subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you don't get to miss any of my cooking episodes. So thank you for watching this video up till now. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. See you in my next video.